Ndewo ndị ọma. Welcome back to my channel, the Igbo teacher. It's been a while. Anyuno. Yeah, it has been a while. I've been so busy lately, but thank God I'm back for good. In today's video, we are going to learn words that begins with letter B. Words that begins with letter B in Igbo language. Mkpụrụ okwu ndị bidoro na letter B n'asụsụ Igbo. Ready? Let's begin. Bịa. Bịa. Bịa means come. Come. Bịa n'ụlọ. Bịa n'ụlọ. Come to the house. Come to the house. Bịa ebe a. Bịa ebe a. Bịa ebe a means come here. Bịa n'oge mgbede. These are examples of how to use bịa. Bịa n'oge mgbede. Come in the evening time. Mgbede, remember when we did our greetings. Mgbede is evening. Bịa n'oge mgbede. Come in the evening time. Ọma. Bie ọma. Hug. Bie ọma means hug. Hug. Hug me. Bịa bie m ọma. Chai. Bịa bie m ọma. Meaning come and hug me. Bear. Bear. Bear means cut or slice. Ngozi na-ebe ugu. We all know ugu. You don't need to be an Igbo person before you will know ugu. In as much as you're in Africa, you're in Nigeria, we all know ugu. Ngozi na-ebe ugu. Ngozi is slicing vegetable. Banye. Ọzọ bụ banye. Banye means enter. Enter. Banye n'ụlọ. Enter inside the house. Banye n'ụgbọala. Enter inside the car or enter the car. Banye. Enter. Bata or bataba. Bata or bataba means coming. Coming. Maybe somebody knocks at your door. You say bataba. If I knock at your door now, pong pong pong, your response should be bataba or bata. Onye, that is who. Bataba. Onye, bataba. Bacha or becha. Bacha or becha. These two means the same thing. When they say bacha, somebody asks you to bacha or say becha, it means peel. Peel. Bacha ji ahụ. Peel the yam. Bacha ji ahụ. peel the yam. G is yam. Ọ na-ebecha oroma. Ihe ọmụmaatụ ọzọ ka m na-enye gị ha. Another example is what I'm giving you. Ọ na-ebecha oroma. This means he or she is peeling an orange. Ọ na-ebecha oroma. He or she is peeling an orange. Anytime you hear or is applicable to he or she. Or is a pronoun. Can use it for a male or a female. Ọ na-ebecha oroma. Another example of words that begins with letter B is binye. Binye. Binye means borrow or lend. Borrow or lend. Binye, biri, borrow or lend. Binye mu biro gị. Binye mu biro gị. Lend me your pen. Lend me your pen. Binye m ego. Binye m ego. Lend me some cash. Or lend me money. As easy as that. Binye m ego. Lend me some cash. Lend me money. That is binye m ego. Biko. Biko means please. Biko bia. Please come. Biko bia. Please come. Bilie. Bilie. Bilie means get up. Those days when we were kids, some people, when they're waking them from sleep, and you know some people, they can sleep. Bilie, 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 bilie. You see your mom coming to wake you up. Bilie, bilie, bilie. You know that kind of a thing. Wake up, wake up, wake up. With full force. Get up, get up, get up. Bilie, 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 bilie. Get up, get up, get up. Bilie, get up. Bilie, get up. Biko, bilie, ọtọ. Biko, bilie, ọtọ. This means please get up. Please get up. Biko, bilie, ọtọ. Please get up. Buru, bute means carry. Ngwa, buru means oya, carry. Bute, bring it. Bute ya ebe a, bring it here. Buru ya bi ebe a, bring it here. The same thing. And this buru or bute normally applies to heavy things. Bulite or bulie. Bulie. Bulite means to lift something up. Lift it up. Abru ni leleruele eba. And itinye ba aka na akara nke ndị oyibo na-akpọ subscription. Ngwa gbapụ ya ọsọ. Jee tinye aka na subscription button. If you have watched up to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, I urge you to please do so. so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I drop videos. Smash the subscription button, smash the like button if you are getting value from my lessons. Let's continue. Also, bo be aqua, be aqua, cry. Be aqua means cry. Nwa na-ebe akwa, nwa na-ebe akwa. The child is crying. Ọ na-ebe akwa, ọ na-ebe akwa. He or she is crying. Bido. These are our regular ones. You must have gotten used to it because I normally say it in my videos. If you have been watching my videos, you must have heard me say bido. Bido pụtara starts. Starts. That is bido. Bidoro. Bido is present. Bidoro is past tense. Yes. Ada bidoro akwụkwọ taa. Ada bidoro akwụkwọ taa. Meaning Ada started school today. Ball means football. Obi na-agba ball. Obi na-agba ball. Obi is playing football. Obi is playing soccer. All of them means Obi na-agba ball. Bolombolo. Bolombolo. Bolombolo means balloon. Balloon. In Igbo language, we call it bolombolo. Bolombolo. Bolombolo ahụ amaka. Bolombolo ahụ amaka. Meaning that balloon is colorful, or that balloon is fine. That brings us to the end of this video. I still remain your girl, Edna, onye nkuzi Igbo, the Igbo teacher. Ngwa ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ. Bye.